Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to transfer your crypto from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just exploring new platforms, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need accounts on both Robinhood and Uphold. Make sure your Robinhood account is verified and you have some crypto assets ready to move. Why do this? Uphold offers more flexibility with staking and trading options, so it's a smart move for 2025's crypto landscape. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to the crypto section and select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once selected, look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the Assets page. Next, you'll need your Uphold wallet address. Open your Uphold app, go to the wallet for the same crypto, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that you're using the correct network, like ERC20 for Ethereum, to avoid any lost funds. Back on Robinhood, paste that Uphold address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but be mindful of any fees Robinhood might charge. Network fees can add up, so keep an eye on that. Review everything carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, the waiting game. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the blockchain's congestion. Once it's done, check your Uphold account to verify the arrival. And there you have it. Your crypto is now safely on Uphold. Remember, always transfer a small test amount first if you're new to this, and keep security in mind by using two-factor authentication. If you run into any issues, Robinhood and Uphold have support teams ready to help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. See you next time.